Ayun, good morning. Oh, ayun, kakape na kami.
Alright.
Alright. Kape tayo.
Well, I didn't go to sleep. That's when I got home. Yeah, I got home.
Be back. Be back. I'll be back. Yan, pali katangkay. Pandesal. Pali tayong pandesal. Ayun yun. Malunggit, pandesal. Alright. Ito. Ayun yung rin nilalang gagawan. Ayan o. Manintunan na rin pero lalang gagawan. Kaya ako ruguhay niyo. Mamali ka tang pandesal. Rega ni mga tang pandesal. Na. So wala yung gagawan to. May itong ito. Ayan o. Apalitan na yung pandesal pa. Magalmusal ta pa ang bahit ang mag-upran eh. Ayan na. O ayan. Takatagayin nga ito. Maranong pa eh. Kaya pa mo ngayon magagala stress ng ngabak. So magkapeta pa mo habang wala tapang gagawan. Samba. Ayan na. Pandesal, malunggay pandesal at saka liver spread. Alright. Yun. Ano yun mga tap pandesal oh. Pandesal. Ano? Saka liver spread. Para ganahan kami magtrabaho, may panagin. Kailangan namin ng lakas eh. Pero, sa pandesal.
Thank you.
Ito,
Salamat.
malunggi. Kaya kasali ko malunggi pandesal, no? Katang lelaya kayo daw. Lelaya pisambat. Napunta ako. Sarap! Sarap kumita ng pera dito. Ano? Bro. Saka black coffee. Hey, go, you want some bread?
Huh?
Bread.
Pandesal. Oh, okay.
You good?
Huh?
Pandesal. Pandesal.
Oh, nice. I'm so tired. I'm like, oh,
Kape.
I can't wait to go to. I can't wait to go home and go meet.
Is there Friday?
Huh? That's it. Thank you. It's on Friday. Thank God.
Eh,
Fucking Tesla's getting my nerves.
why?
No, because I bought a charger.
Uh-huh.
But the stupid charger, I go sit it like, hey, sit. It's
$400?
It's cheap. But the problem is that it's charging on the. I plugged it in on the wall, so not on my dry, the dryer. So
Yeah, the 240 volts.
So no, it's 12 volts. So that's just it's charging like it's taking 24 hours.
Yeah.
So I went and I was like, I tried to get my charger. It doesn't even come out. You can't take that out. You have the plugs. You can't take them out. So now I'm like, I go to Home Depot or I go to Home Depot. Hey, I needed an extension or something. Adapters. They're like, we don't have them. But he was like, but you can kind of like build your own. I'm like, what the fuck? You can build my own. I'm not an electrician. I'm not gonna plug this in. I don't know what I'm doing. So I go sit, I need your help.
Okay.
And she helped me out.
4 na pala. Magugrata na.
Ha? Ano?
Napalitan mo na ako dyan eh. Kaya magkatrabaho na ako eh. Ito ka tamad oh. Umutang ng bagay. Para karatang nagawa akong bibidan. Karatang manimpunan. Good. Say hi to my vlog. Right there.
Ahora
Right there, the camera.
Oh, that's the one you can put on. Hey, look at it. Nice building. Slowly. Yeah, what did you get there? Four o'clock? Okay.
Ay no, break ka na. Wala nang bag eh. Wala nang bag eh. Kay Leo ha, tsaka rin oh. Wala nang bag. Tatananggawan. Kaya kailangan pa inaotar pa.